How to fix slow download speed on Telegram. So if you're facing this issue, then what you have to do is you don't have this solution on Telegram app, but I can show you another one. You can simply go to your settings, mobile settings, and then you can tap on apps and notifications. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Now tap on see all apps. Here go and search for Telegram, and after opening Telegram you will have an option which says storage and cache. Tap on storage and cache, and then you will have an option which says clear cache. Tap on clear cache, and now you have cleared all your cache and junk files. So this was the way through which you can fix slow download speed on Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.